Hi friends, today I'm going to show you one trick through which you can earn a very good income. Okay, so that trick, if you want to apply, you need to have a Heartbeat account. Heartbeat account not for trading, Heartbeat account for checking out the best coins. Okay, as you know that any coin which is launched in Heartbeat, there will be use pump immediately. Immediately in the sense the moment the coin is launched on Heartbeat, within within fraction of minutes there will be a pump, and that pump sustainability will be there up to 12 to 24 hours. After that it keeps on dumping, as everybody are aware of it. Okay, so now there are so many coins which is going to launch. How will you come to know that which coin is launching when? See, on the slider which you are seeing on the screen, you can see like Bunnyzilla listed on Orbit. It's already listed on Orbit. One Piece listed on Orbit, and Kiba Inu is listed on Orbit. Already it is listed. But how will you come to know that which coin is going to list tomorrow, day after tomorrow? You need to check which coin is listing tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like within 2 days which coin is listing. So for that, what you do, you below the slider you will find there is an announcement, and there will be some announcement. Okay, now I'll click on this. Okay, I have clicked on something called as token oid. It is going to launch on November 10th. Now you check whether it is a Ethereum or it is a BSC. BEP20 coin. It's a BEP20 coin. Okay, now this coin you can take a risk of buying it. So what you do now, you go to you go to BSC scan. You go here. Okay, when you go here you'll find how many holders are there. 3993 holders are address are there, and transfers are 7886. So what you do, you can go to and you can copy the contract address, and then what you can do, you can go to trust wallet. Okay, you go to trust wallet, and in trust wallet you go to dApps, and in dApps you go to pancake swap. In pancake swap, what you can do, you can select a currency and you can paste that particular address. Once you paste that particular address, you will find it import. I understand, import. Once you do it, then you will have option to buy. So what you can do, 0 point, don't buy much, only for $6 to $7 you buy. Okay, 0.01 2, whatever is there. Okay, 0.1 0.012 is almost all $7, so you will get 50 to 42 coins, and then you can swap. Once you swap, then you have purchased this coin. Now I'm not going to buy because I already bought some other coin as per this plan, which I would like to show you. Okay, see now which is the coin which I bought this coin, doge. Yesterday I bought this coin for 700 rupees, Indian currency 700 rupees. It's almost all $10 close to. And now it has become 967, means almost all 41% growth is there from yesterday night to till now. How did I bought? I know that this coin in another 1 or 2 hours time, once it is going to launch at 1:30. Now it is 1:03 p.m. 1:30 it is going to launch in Heartbeat. Once it launches in Heartbeat, within the span of 5 to 6 hours, this is going to touch 200%. So my investment of $700 will become $2,100 or even more. Then what I'll do, smartly I will withdraw the full amount, and then I will plan for a next coin which is going to launch in Heartbeat in 1 or 2 days. That too, before depositing or before buying that coin, I will do the research. How many holders are there, how many transfers are there, when did this coin launch, what was their plan. I'll go to their website, I'll study everything. If I find there are more holders, and if I find there are more transfers, and I'll go to Telegram account, I'll see how many people are there in the Telegram group. I'll go to their Twitter account and I'll see how many updates they are regularly putting, and even I will check whether the same coin is already existing in another exchange or not. All that I'll check, and then I'll buy. Then when I do the complete research and when I buy, then I can make money. Imagine now, instead of 700 $10, if I had invested $100 yesterday night, it might have been almost all $141. So 40% of the profit within 12 hours already I made, and in another 5 to 6 hours it's going to be 200%. So that $100 if I had invested, I might have got $300. So now almost $100 is the investment, $200 is the profit. Now I will show you how I bought also. Okay, just watch here. Now I'll go to Heartbeat. I'll go back. Okay, and DOGEY. It's there in announcement session only. This is on doge. No, not this one. One more is there. Just a minute. Oh, this is already launched coin. 1 minute. Yeah, this one. Doge yellow coin. Okay, DOGEY. So November 8th, 2021. So this coin is going to launch, deposit function launched at 8 a.m. UTC. So 8 a.m. UTC means for IST you add plus 5.30. So it will become 1:30 Indian time. So now the time is 1:30. This is going to launch in heartbeat. The moment it launches in heartbeat, definitely it's going to touch 100%. And from there, within 24 hours, it may go up to 500% to 1000% also, or it can reach up to 200%. So till 200% I'll wait. After 200%, whatever the invested amount I've invested, the plus 50% I will withdraw, and remaining amount I'll keep it there. If it goes to 1000%, that profit will give me a profit. So this is the doji yellow coin which is going to launch in heartbeat. Okay, so friends, this is how I make money. I do trade smartly. I never get addicted to it. I'll do the complete research. Every day I will invest in one or the other coin by doing the research. Not only this research, there are 100 ways of doing research. So today I have used this plan. Tomorrow I'll be using different plan, and day after tomorrow I'll be doing different plan. Like that every day. I don't expect to earn very big money. Maximum per day, if I get even 4,000 to 5,000 per day from this plan, I'm happy and I'm getting it. Okay, and apart from that, there is a long term investment which I've done in different exchanges, that I'll be happy with the profits. And there are some more high pump coins like shibainu or lovelyinu or buffdogecoin or flokiinu, and there are still more coins are there. Those kind of coins will give me instant profit, very useful, and that also good for long term investment. So friends, whatever I have told you, it is just the plan which I given. Now investment is your risk. Don't go with my words. My plan, how I make money, I have shown you. Now if you want to do the same thing, you have to do the research, or you have to consult your advisor, and you have to invest. Okay, I don't force anybody to invest money and make money. My job is to give the information, and your job is to do the research before investing, because and everything is 100% risk is on your side, not my side. My job is to just tell you which coin is the best and how to do the research and invest and make money. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me, and don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, many more plans like this I'll be sharing with you, and you will get to know. Okay, and